Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag, to the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
What's up, Blackhawks? I'm James, and let's get into the Hawkview Announcements. This week is Senior Spirit Week. Tomorrow's theme is Beachy Surfers versus Rebel Bikers. Students are encouraged to wear beach or biker clothing to school. On Friday, there will be the last splash for Seniors Rally. See Dr. Velazquez in the ASB office for more information. Join us for Prom Midnight in the Mediterranean, May 3rd at 7 p.m. at the Renaissance Esmeralda in Indian Wells. Tickets are on sale now, $90 to $95 through April 25th, $95 through $100 April 28th through May 2nd. Buy your ticket in the ASB office before school, at lunch, and after school. See you there. And now it's time for your sports.
What's up, Blackhawks? I'm Galilea, and let's get into today's sports. Athletic physicals will be held on Thursday, May 29th at 4 p.m. for $25 in the main gym. Don't miss out on this chance to get it done. Thursday is a big day for LQ Athletics. The track and swimming teams are hosting the DEL Finals at home on May 1st after school. Golf will also play in the DEL Finals on Thursday. On Friday, May 2nd, the baseball and softball teams are on the road against Xavier. Come out and support your Blackhawks. Have a great day, La Quinta.